What's up, guys? Okay, hello. I'm in my bathroom right now because I am going to be doing a bathroom tour of my bathroom for you guys. But yeah, I'm just like, oh my god, let me just do like a little quick like intro kind of thing. Here's my bathroom tour for my dorm. Yeah, let's get into it. So this is how my bathroom is looking. So you just have the mirror. Here's me. Hola. Here's me. Hi. So basically I just have this mirror so that I can, you know, see when like I'm brushing my teeth and stuff. And then I just have this little, what is this? Like a toothbrush container. You know, I got this one from, where did I get it from? Walmart. I think I got it for around 10 bucks. So yeah, it's really cute. And it has these kind of like, I don't know what kind of detail, but like, you know, it has that. And then I just have my two toothbrushes in here. One toothbrush I actually use for brushing my teeth. The second toothbrush is actually for my hair. So I remember my aunt came over and she was like, why do you have two toothbrushes here? Like, who do you have over? I'm like, no, like this is for my hair. Like, I'm actually lonely. Like, don't worry, I'm just the only one living here. But yeah, and then I just have this toothpaste here. And then right on the other side, I have, what is this? Hand soap. This is just like someone that I got from Shoppers. It's whatever, I don't really care for it. And then I just have my face, what's this thing called? Face soap. I know maybe it's kind of like unhygienic. I don't have it like in a little container. It's just kind of like there. But yeah, I use like an actual bar face soap for my face. And then I just have my Q-tips and I have it in this little container, which is really, really cute, which I love. I got it from the dollar store for $1 and yeah, it looks nice. And then, ooh, I just have two bobby pins here. And then this is my sink. This is what it looks like. And then there is here is my bath rug. And then just in here, it's very, very, very unorganized. But basically, I just have my cleaning products, extra soaps, toilet paper, some hair tools that I use every day. And then, yeah, so it's very unorganized. It's actually a very small space. And I also have some hair products in there as well. But yeah, it's not yeah, that's kind of just how it looks. And it's not the most organized, but yeah. But anyways, going on to this part of my bathroom. Right here is just this little thing. This is fun, but I just put like my face towel on this. You're supposed to put a hand towel on it, but I just like to like grab it here and just put my face towel here. I think it's just like easier for me. And yeah, but right now I don't have one right now because I'm just doing my laundry. But yeah, and then once you get over to this side, I have my little poster thing. I don't actually have like a poster. No, this is not a poster. This is like one of those like pictures. I don't have a picture frame for it because I just haven't found one that I liked. But it says you are allowed to be both a masterpiece and a work in progress at the same time, which I really liked. Ooh, I found a hair tie. Oh my gosh, I was looking for a hair tie this whole time. But yeah, I just have a hair tie. And then this stuff is actually for my shower curtains, which I just left on top of here. I probably should put it away. And then I just have this little plant from IKEA. And I used to be in a pot holder, but I dropped it while I was cleaning and then the pot holder like completely fell off. So that's amazing. And then I just have this little candle. It says thank you. It's in like a vanilla scent. And I got it from like my family's like christening, something like, yeah, I forget. I feel like it was a christening. I don't remember. Oh my god, that's so bad. But anyways, yeah. And then right above my toilet, I just have this shelf that I got from Walmart. And I think I got it for around 40 bucks. So yeah, but anyways, it just has these two compartments that opens like this, and then it has this middle compartment, and then it has a bottom compartment which opens at the bottom. But in this compartment, I like to keep my hair products that I use all the time. So I got my gel, got to be alcohol. I have some Q-tips. I have 2 Tylenols just sitting there, and then I have some foam spray. And then on this side, I like to keep more of kind of just like my face stuff. So on this side I keep my hair stuff, and then on this side I like to keep my face stuff. So anyways, I have my face mask, I have some cotton pads, I have some heat protectant for my hair, and I just have, you know, face wash, you know, face mist, deodorant. I like to use men's deodorant because it lasts longer, and it just combats the odor 10 times better than women's deodorant in my opinion. And then I just have some, you know, all of that extra stuff. And then once you get down here, this is my makeup kind of section. I just have my makeup brushes here. I like to do my makeup in the bathroom just because the lighting in the bathroom is so much bigger. Plus, I don't have that much room in my room to do my makeup because I don't really have a makeup table in my room. But yeah, I just have these makeup brushes, and then I just have little things that like are in tubes in this thing. So I have mascara, lip gloss, eyeliner in here, anything that basically can fit in here that's kind of like a tube kind of thing. I have my two favorite foundations. I have the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, super full coverage, and then I also have this Fit Me one from Maybelline as well. Maybelline just apparently has really good makeup. And then I have just like my two eyeshadow palettes. To be honest, when I first got them, I was in love with them. Now, to be honest, I don't really use them that much. But yeah, I just have my Naked Heat and then my Urban Decay Naked Base Naked 2. So yeah, I just have those two. Don't really ever use them. And then right here, I have my Dirty Beauty Blender. I have some setting powder for under my eyes. I have my MAC makeup wipes, which these wipes are the best wipes in the entire world. Like, they literally feel like they don't, when you take off your makeup, it doesn't feel like you're pulling your makeup off. It feels like it's just like wiping off like super smoothly, and it feels like there's like oil in there. And it's one of those wipes where it feels like when I wipe off my makeup, like I don't have to wash my face, even though I do wash my face, but you know, sometimes you get lazy and like, you know, all that stuff. So I really do like these wipes. They are a bit expensive. I think I got it for like around 20 bucks for 30 wipes. So not the cheapest, but they work really well. And then I also have my Anastasia Glow, what's this thing? This Glow Kit, like the highlighter palette. There we go. And then I just have this little small thing. I got it from Walmart. In the top part, I like to keep extra lip products, some mask for my nose, pore strips, and yeah. And then I just have a tweezer in here, and then an extra sharpener. And then in the second compartment, I just like to add extra cotton pads. This little thing is to clean my makeup brushes. And yeah, and then here I think I have my clips, some earrings, some jewelry mostly. I have a little bit of cash. You couldn't tell I'm Canadian. But yeah, and yeah, then that's it. And then right over here is my toilet, not this, okay. And then we just have the little scrubby thing, and then also a little clogger thingy or whatever. And then we just have my toilet paper on the side. My bath mats I got from Walmart. I got 2 of them. They were in a pack for $20. So yeah. And then once you get up here, this is what my shower looks like. So in my shower, I just have my shower curtain, and it's actually double lined because this is like a cloth and I don't want it to get ruined. So I have this cheap one that I got from IKEA for literally like $5 to protect this one. And then this one I got from Walmart. I actually got it for 15 bucks, which honestly I don't think is that bad. And I love the design. It's really pretty. I don't know what these things really are called, but yeah, it looks like this. And it's just in like this kind of like purpley but also bluish kind of color. I don't really know how to describe it. And then once you open that up, you have my shower. So you have my what are these things called? My shampoo, my conditioner. I just have some hair ties, I don't know why. And then I just have my loofah, and then I just have my face, my body wash, and another loofah because this one needs to go in the garbage. And then I bought a new one, but I just haven't gotten to throwing the other one in the garbage yet. And yeah, that's just how my shower looks. nothing too crazy. And then right over here on this side, I have my towel that I use to wash my hands, and it's in this really pretty design. I got it from Walmart. I think it was around $7. And yeah, I kind of just use it as decoration. It kind of just matches the theme of my bathroom. Don't really know what my theme is, but yeah. And then right over here, you turn around and then you have my towel. And this is the towel that I use when I come out of the shower. And yeah, and then I just have this hooks. Got it from Walmart again. Walmart is the place to go. And yeah, that is basically everything. Yeah, so that is literally my room tour. That is literally my bathroom tour, but basically everything. And that is my bathroom tour. I think that's it for today's video. That's all I really have to say. But yeah, okay, bye.